The year was 1994 and singer Tanya Stephens got her breakthrough with Big Tings Gwaan. Tanya shares the backstory behind that massive hit in our FiWi Culture segment.
Big things are Gwaan for you, and you know me not tell you no lie. Big things are Gwaan for you, make the rest of them look like them not try. My first stable, when we start record stable, was Grove Music, and I was recording for Barry O'Hare and his cousin Stephen Stewart. At the time they called themselves Parson Picnic. The set of songs that I did there, you know, this is where IRFM eventually was born. But that time there was no radio station there. And the Big Tings Are Gwaan song, this by the way, preceded all the Big Tings Are Gwaan and the Tings Are Gwaan that will come out of Kingston. Mine was first, just saying. But when it come out, that was the song that launched me to Jamaica. You know, me heard it on radio, and it a play, and people ask me for me sing that, and me I get people call me for shows, and me start do, you know, me do the then behind them something there, and me do, yo, me feel good coming up on real stage with real artists. What do you can't chat to me.
Cause you know me no shit, me don't want hear nothing about no other man. Me down the side, me have to get this you one. If me have to back and don't see your back, I'm at 10. If me even have to drop the
Alright, what can you recall from the initial recording session of the song? Was it one take, several takes? What was the vibe like?
Well, when we do it, me did new. So I wasn't experienced, I didn't know anything. So I was completely guided. It means I may do a few takes, because first of all, I couldn't even open my mouth. Me did actually very shy. My tongue stuck to the roof of my mouth get dry. People in there look, them have met people and come out. It was very scary. But Barry, really good, and he made me relax, and yeah.
jump over the moon. As long as it means I'll get you tonight, I will do any damn thing you want me to do, baby. Big things are Gwaan for you.
What kind of doors did the song's success open for you locally? Were more recording opportunities coming your way? Persons showing you just want to do work with you? What opened up for you career-wise?
The studio door them start open up, and the producers come with rhythms, and the biggest thing that happened out of that was that Dave Kelly linked, well, I have a virgin, a man named Delroy Collins, and he and Dave Kelly were cool. Call up, link me and say, yo, Dave Kelly want to do some work with you, and I'm like, the Dave Kelly? First of all, that alone, before me even sing the song, I already feel like, yeah, my boss.
Alright, Pree Dis family, that's the end of this week's episode. Big up all the Yuatan Massive. I'm your host Eddie, and now the Addy, and we'll see you guys next week. Big up all of the Yuatan. What, yo, remember you know I get the type, the water hole. Yep.